Welcome back to the Fix It Links channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Andonstar AD407 microscope. I also wanted to mention I got an overhead mount, so now I can record top-down shots. Let's get into the unboxing. This is the Andonstar AD407. As soon as you open the box, you are shown a little manual. We're not going to read that. Then this little foam, and underneath the foam is the microscope. Comes with a charger block, USB, and this is the power for the camera and the light with a little remote right here to control it. Actual like digital remote right here. A HDMI cord, right? Yeah, HDMI to mini HDMI. It's interesting. And then what do we have here? We have the stand for the microscope. In here we have the actual microscope and the screen itself. Here's the screen, and here's the microscope. It's going to end up being down this way, and you'll be able to look at it like this. Next up is the base of the microscope with two lights on it. Let's see how we'd set this up. It seems like there's two little screw holes right here. So we're going to go ahead and line this up and screw it in. That's both those screwed in. And the lights right here. Now if we go ahead and grab this, peel off this plastic, and loosen these screws. Go ahead and unscrew this all the way, I guess. And slide this down in there, tighten it again. What I probably will end up doing is doing a 3D print mount that looks like this. I gotta test one of it. That will go like this, and then I can connect it to a little monitor arm and use it like that. Connection pieces are all on the top. If you look right down here, all the connections right here. We got USB-C, micro HDMI, and there's a SD card right here. They give you a pretty long cord, so this from here to here is long enough to get what you need. But then to actually go from to this is long, very long. And slide this in here, and this down in the back right here. Just clips in like that. And you got two lights right here. I mean, you can already see it working. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the microscope view and show you guys from there. If we go ahead and focus, you can see the quality of this. That is insane. You can see every little thing. Oh, it's upside down. I need to flip it back over for you guys. Now you're seeing what I'm seeing. But yeah, if you can see that compared to my old one, which I'll pop up a video of my old one right now, the difference is insane. Yeah, that's insane. How detailed of quality that is. As you can see, based on the quality of this thing, my soldering work will be a lot better, and I'll be able to enhance my skills more. If you're looking to buy a microscope, I hope this video helped you. If you're just interested in the channel, I'm really excited to use this in upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.